Welcome back to this video. If you use Chrome browser, here are top 3 best new features that no one knows about in Chrome browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very third one I would like to show you as far as new Chrome feature is concerned. So if you open up your Chrome browser, so I'm going to click on here. They have opened up your Chrome browser. Then if you go to this particular 3 dots right here, then you click on settings. Then you simply scroll down and then you make sure you go to accessibility. Then you come down below right here, you turn on this button right here. Then you go back to the home page, then you come to the top right here, create a new tab. Then you visit a particular website. Let's say I visit facebook.com. Then we have it this way. And you really want to zoom out without any stray. You want to zoom in and zoom out. What you need to do is to simply go back to these 3 dots right here. Then you see your zoom tool right here. What you need to do is to simply click on it and you have it right here. Then right here, you can use this tool right here. By dragging this way, you increase the zoom out. Then the more you drag out, the more it zoom out. If you want to zoom in, simply drag it to the minus sign, plus sign to zoom out, minus sign to zoom in. So this is the third one I want to show you as far as top 3 new features no one knows about in Chrome browser is concerned. Let's take a look at the second feature I would like to show you right here. The second feature I would like to show you right here is that you can actually bookmark this web page right here without any hassle. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply come to the 3 dots right here. Then simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Make sure you go to toolbar shortcuts. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then by the time you go back to the home page, then you have your bookmark icon from the top of the web page right here. And for you to bookmark this web page, simply click on here. Then it's as simple as that. So the website has been bookmarked. And for you to visit all your bookmark, what you need to do is simply click on here. Then move to the third tab right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, mobile bookmarks. Then you have your Facebook page, Google bookmark result right here. Simply click on that and it takes you back to the website that you have bookmarked so far. So let's take a look at the very first one as far as new features no one knows about in Google Chrome browser is concerned. All right, so the very first one I would like to show you as far as top 3 best useful new feature in Chrome browser is concerned. So if you are in a web page like this and you don't want to read or you cannot read and you want to listen to what is written in a web page, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right there, click on these 3 dots. Then you have to simply navigate to listen to this page.
How to turn a USB flash drive into a portable gaming console. Published by PC World. It takes just a few steps. A lot of gamers go to great lengths to find a portable retro gaming device.
This is one of the great features in Chrome browser that allow you to listen to the web page without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, these are top 3 new features we want to talk about in Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.